Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing stripe.com/atlas. And right here, if you don't know what this site is, it is basically a company or a site or an app that helps you build a business. So right here, incorporate your startup, start your company by in a few clicks, bank, fundraise, and charge customers immediately after incorporating. So as you can see, it is easy as just clicking start your company right here, and we'll take you to the sign up. And if you're wondering if this website is legit, let's head on over here to stripe.com on Trustpilot, and they have over 16k or 15,000 reviews here. So they basically rated poorly out of 2 out of 5 stars. So let's see all the reviews here. And as you can see, after using Stripe for a long period of time, they not only closed my account, but they have refunded all of the payments I received. Even go so far as to refund payments I've received last year. I wouldn't recommend them to anyone. Absolutely awful processor. Looks the other way, looking for alternatives, endless charged after cancel. This company is a scam. Closed my account for no reason, won't refund. Stripe is inappropriately holding my money. Extremely disappointed. Funds unlawfully withheld. Stripe closed my account 40 plus days ago. $1,500 still frozen. No support reply. Very bad experience. Stripe.com can't log in and tell you that you can't log in. So a lot of people are saying that this company or this website is a scam. So please avoid using Stripe.com because they charge you endlessly, and they hold your money for whoever knows how long, and you can't get your or withdraw your money. So please avoid this website or this app because a lot of people have bad reviews about it. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.